Hello, everyone. I am just trying to make a YouTube video because I'm sure some of you may have noticed or seen the television show on Netflix called Cobra Kai. And I would like to bring something up that I want the fans of the show to comment on. Okay. And this has to do with something I really can't wrap my brain around. And the only reason, and you'll have to understand that I have cerebral palsy, so I rock back and forth, but I want to go ahead and explain this to everybody. Now, this goes back to the movie The Karate Kid 3. Uh, and this video is for the people that have seen Cobra Kai Season 4, okay? In Karate Kid 3, Silver is sitting in his hot tub, and in walks Barnes, okay? And Barnes says to him, I'm paraphrasing, of course, that, well, I know you wanted, you offered me 25%, but I'm going to want 50%, you know? And then, of course, Silver, reluctantly agrees, okay? Now, let's go with the original scenario, okay? Where Barnes gets 25%. And again, nobody's ever really thought of this because of the results of the movie, the movie Karate Kid 3. But being that there is a Cobra Kai Season 4 coming out, people may wonder about this. Now, he comes in, we go with the original scenario of him getting 25%. Okay, well, the question is who owns the original 75? Well, there's lots of ways that could be done, that would have happened, that would have made sense. One is Silver gets 50%, Kreese gets 25, and then Barnes gets another 25. That actually would have made sense. Okay, that would have made some sense. Also, uh, there is the other possibility that now that was what I would think would make the most sense. Once you up the amount that Barnes is getting from 25 to 50, then my question is who gets the other 50%? Is it 50% Silver, 50% Barnes, or is it 50% Kreese, 50% Barnes? And it really doesn't make a whole lot of sense that it'd be 25 Silver, 25 Kreese, and 50% Barnes. In fact, the thing that doesn't make sense, some of the parts of it that doesn't make any sense, is later on in the movie, Silver says it's going to be Kreese Karate. But if it's 50% ownership by Barnes, wouldn't it be Barnes in Kreese Karate? The thing is that I guess the point I'm trying to make is that one, the whole thing happened when him agreeing to give him the 50% happened without Kreese being around. And we all know what happened in Cobra Kai 4. So what I'm trying to say is maybe that there was that in Karate Kid 3, Silver had planned to con Kreese all along. Because the thing that doesn't add up is when you give someone 50% ownership of something. In fact, we don't even know if Kreese ever found out about the 50%. You know? How do we know that Kreese ever figured out that Barnes was going to get 50%? We don't know that. I mean, as soon as the tournament was over, nobody found that out. So, you know, I'm wondering if in season 5, Barnes is going to come back into the picture, but he's going to have something on Silver because he's going to know that originally, it's going to be something like, you offered me 50%. What? You were supposed to offer him 25%, And then that's what's going to happen. That's my theory. Now, I, I'm not a business guy, but from what I understand, if you own 50% ownership of something, I believe the term to be used to describe you is equal partner. And so that's a big difference between 25 and 50%. So the question is a guy really, if somebody has 50% of something, is that something that if I own 50%, then I'm an equal partner. In other words, he pretty much made Barnes the equal partner over a course of a few seconds, and Kreese wasn't even around. And we all know that in the movie, in the season 4, Barnes and the Silver and the Kreese saw how they did business, and they didn't like it. You understand? So I'm curious. Maybe there is something information that's going to come out about that original contract in Karate Kid Part 3 that maybe Kreese may not know about, or that may not have known about. I mean, we have like I said before, we really don't have any way of knowing that Kreese knew about the 50%. You understand? He may not even figured that out. Nobody ever told him. Because if you'll notice, I mean, he wasn't around. Nobody said to him, we never saw Barnes being told that it was mentioned in front of Silver that he was getting 50%. In fact, it seems kind of contradictory to say it's going to be Kreese Karate. Of course, Mike Barnes is equal partner, but it's Kreese Karate. Now, I'm going to go ahead and post this video, and if you're a fan of Cobra Kai, please respond to the post or post a response video. Thank you.